Attention, listen up ladies. Today is June 21st and it is officially the first day of Hot Girl Summer Part 2. Okay, so for today's video, I am going to be giving you guys 5 tips on how to keep your whole entire body, especially your homegirl, fresh all summer long, okay? So without further ado, let's get into the video. So tip number 1 is to wash, ladies. It is hot, no whole baths, none of that. Like, get in the shower, use some soap, and like really get clean. Like, and if you choose to use feminine wash, be my guest, but I don't use feminine wash. I use regular soap. And yeah, the first thing you want to do is just wash. Like, we can't be bird bathing it or none of that. Like, it's just entirely too hot, and you know, you sweating and all your juices, it's just too much. So get in the shower, get some soap, wash up. Number 2, you want to be fresh all day, ladies. Like, we are females, we supposed to look good, we supposed to smell good, all that stuff. So to keep fresh for the entire day, make sure you got some deodorant. Like, it goes a long way. Use some deodorant, put it on, and yeah. And I do have a trick. Like, if you sweat really bad underneath your boobs, you just take some deodorant when you get out the shower, put it under each boob, and that will eliminate the sweating. So yes, deodorant, ladies. Also, you need to have some wipes. It could be feminine wipes, baby wipes, any kind of wipes. You need to have some wipes. So if you feel like you're getting a little musty, you know, whether it's down near or under your underarms, you can go in the bathroom, you can freshen up with these baby wipes. Baby wipes is like good for everything. You can wipe your hands with it, wipe your face, whatever you need it for. Baby wipes is the way to go. Feminine wipes, whatever you want to use. And also keep some body spray. It don't have to be like your fancy perfume or nothing. Keep some like Bath and Body Works, Victoria's Secret body spray on you at all times. So if you feel yourself getting musty, you get but no, y'all, have some perfume so you can smell good and look good and just be a lady, okay? So tip number 3, grow up. It's time to get waxes. There's no more shaving and then your hair grow back in 2.5 seconds or it being rough down there, and no. It's time to get waxes, ladies. Like, it really doesn't even hurt that bad. Like, really just invest in getting waxes. Like, your hair grows back so much slower, okay? And it removes the layer of dead skin that's like on top. So it unclogs all the pores and everything down there. So it just really makes it super smooth. So I would really recommend getting waxes, ladies. I've been getting waxes for about 2 years now. And ever since I went to waxing, I never shaved my homegirl ever again. Like, ever. Like, I wouldn't even dare. Like, I would trim it down before I use a razor to cut it. Like, So I would really say try to get waxes, ladies. And also, it's just more sanitary to me, because like when you're on your menstrual and then it's like blood down there, then you have hair down there, like that's just gross. And then you're sweating and you got all this hair. It's just too much. Like, it's too much. And if you are really opposed to getting waxes, at least trim it down. Get some scissors, trim down the bushes, you know, make it look a little nice if you really against getting waxes. But I would highly recommend getting waxes. So normally after I get waxes, I normally get a body polish that they sell at European Wax Center, but since they've been closed and you know, I haven't been able to get any, so I have this Caress exfoliating body wash, and I basically exfoliate the area that is waxed. I don't go in my private with this and you know, all that extra stuff. I literally take some and I like really exfoliate the area that is waxed. It's going to slow down ingrowing hairs, and it's going to make your hair grow back slower, and it's just going to, you know, unclog your pores and really just, you know, stimulate that area. Wait, that didn't even sound right. Stimulate that area? No, not like that, y'all. It's really just going to help it, you know. What am I trying to say? It's really going to help like with your hair growing back and stuff like that. So it's gonna, you know, slow down the process of your hair growing back, I should say. Tip number 4 is to drink some water. Like, I know a lot of females do not drink water, and that's like beyond me. Like, I cannot live without water. Like, literally the only thing that literally quenches my thirst is water. Not juice, not soda, not none of that. Like, water is good because it really flushes out the toxins in your body. It hydrates you, and it's hot. So you want to stay hydrated. You do not want to be dehydrated. You could pass out anything. And you just want to, you know, flush out any toxins in your body. Like, water is great. It's going to quench your thirst. Really pick up some water, ladies. Like, if your pee is yellow at the end of the day, that means you didn't intake enough water. Like, your goal should be for your pee to be like almost clear by the end of the day. That's how you know that you're like really, you know, drinking water. But yes, I love water. I really do. I really do. So tip number 5, and I feel as though this is the most important tip of them all. Okay, the most important. And that tip is to not let anybody in your home, girl. Okay, do not be having sex with like these random people, and just like, don't be doing none of that. Don't be doing none of that, because when something is wrong down there, your body is going to tell you, honey. It is going to tell you. You're going to know, whether you smell it, whether you see it, whether you feel it, you're going to know. So you really need to be careful who you're having sexual intercourse with. Be smart about it, and, you know, make sure they use a protection and things of that nature. Like, do not let anyone in you. But also, make sure before and after sex to pee. That is very important. And I speak on it from experience. It's like, getting UTIs is no joke at all. It is painful as fuck. So if you're not peeing before and after sex, like, you're making yourself more prone to getting a urinary tract infection. Like, and they hurt so bad, like, literally. But anyway, if you do happen to come in contact with a urinary tract infection, it's not like a sexually transmitted disease or anything. It's just an infection. It basically is when bacteria gets into the stream where your pee come out of. So bacteria gets in there and it becomes an infection. It burns when you pee. It hurts when you pee. You feel like you gotta pee all the time. Like, it's no joke. But if you are, you know, suffer from any UTIs, look into drinking 100% cranberry juice. Not cranberry juice cocktail. 100% cranberry juice. Or look into taking cranberry supplements each day. So you basically take like either 1 or 2 a day, and it helps flushes out your urinary tract system. So yeah, be sure to pee before and after sex. Like, it's super important. Also, to piggyback off of that point, ladies, be sure that you're wiping yourself correctly. Front to back. Front to back. Front to back, okay? Because if you do it back to front, you're putting yourself in a position to get infections. So yeah. And also, like I said about the wipes, keep the wipes with you. After sex, you go pee, wipe yourself, clean up, use these wipes, okay? And also, ladies, avoid wearing super tight clothing, especially panties or like lace panties, honey, okay? Lace panties, wearing panties like this 24/7 is guaranteed to throw off your pH balance, give you a yeast infection or anything. You're not supposed to wear lace panties all the time. Like, these are okay to go on dates, to look cute, you know, all that good stuff, but you need to have some regular panties. Like, have some panties. These are cotton panties. They're still cute. They have lace at the top, but these are cotton panties. These are the type of panties you should be wearing majority of the time. Like I said, you can wear your cute panties and stuff like that while you're out and all that good stuff, you know, but make sure that you have some cotton panties in your underwear drawer. And that's just on that. That's just on period. I know y'all want to look cute. It's hot girl summer. Y'all want to have the cheeks out. Y'all want to have, you know, showing a little, but it's hot. You're going to be sweating down there. Moisture and heat creates bacteria. So yeah, I mean, if you're gonna, I'm not saying don't wear anything tight. If you are gonna wear something tight, have a change of clothes, a pair of tights or something, so you just not, you know, getting any yeast infection or anything like that. So yeah, like, I like my little cheekies too. I like having my little booty cheeks out or whatever, but yeah, it's only for a couple of hours. Not even a couple of hours. It's for, you know, some hours in a day, and then I make sure I have like some tights or something I can change into afterwards. So guys, this is the end of today's video. Be sure to like, give this video a thumbs up guys. Be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe, join the gang or whatever. I really appreciate everyone who comment, who likes my video, who subscribes to my channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to continue to try to produce content for you guys, be consistent and things of that nature. So just continue to support me. I love you guys. So like I always say, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.